Hey Modern Fragrance community, welcome to part 1 of a short series where I'll be talking about a few of the most world-renowned perfumery schools and institutions that you can apply for or be invited to be a part of. This guide will include information about Givaudan, the Grass Institute of Perfumery, IFF, Maine, and Simrise. Becoming a master perfumer can take a lot of hard work and dedication to the craft. Training your nose, memorizing ingredients, organic compounds, synthetic chemistry, traveling to learn different techniques from traditional and modern perspectives that are often unique and innovative. These practices have been learned through years of experience through science, pseudoscience, trial, error, and most important of all, a passion for exploration and discovery. And these are all the things that we can look forward to on our journey into this complex olfactory art form. Credentials in fields such as the more widely available cosmetic sciences, chemistry, biology, mathematics, or other related sciences at your desired college would give you an advantage in this field. But you're here because you're more interested in pursuing knowledge about perfumery itself from professionals and true pioneers of the craft. You don't necessarily need these to be a successful perfumer, but they definitely help with future career opportunities. And of course, very insightful knowledge about the subject. Alright, so first I'm going to be talking about the Givaudan Perfumery School located in both Paris and Singapore. I'm very impressed with how Givaudan in Paris is progressing within the modern world, particularly the digital fragrance lab that was created in January 2019. And the fragrance formulation AI known as Carto they've developed has definitely piqued my interest as a modern perfumer. The 2020 digital innovation strategy puts a very modern swing on traditional practice by simplifying the creation process without diluting the fragrance experience for perfumers. Singapore has a very long history as a trade route for many of the high-quality spices we all know today, making this Givaudan Perfumery School location perfect for aspiring perfumers to expand their knowledge by absorbing the different methods and techniques found in Asia. And of course, the chance to experience all the flowers, fruits, trees, and spices this beautiful country has to offer firsthand. A few hard-working students will be offered an international exchange opportunity at the opposite location for 1 year. This perfumery course will be a 4-year commitment, and they only accept a handful of applicants each year. The application requirements are as followed: a passion for perfumery and an advanced knowledge of the sensory field, strong olfactive abilities, a university degree, which I assume would be relevant to the industry, experience in fragrance analysis, perseverance to engage in a long and challenging learning path, curiosity, openness, and willingness to travel, demonstrated creativity in any field, setting priorities and solving complex problems, a commitment to work in any location given the company's needs, verbal and written command of the English language. Proficiency in one or more other languages is considered an asset. Your values aligned with Givaudan's values and DNA, and metacognition, which I find is a very interestingly important candidate trait for such a prestigious and limited program. The application process is a little difficult, so I'll quickly guide you through it. If you go to the top here, you'll see a careers link. Click that and click the Students and Graduates category. From here, you'll scroll down. Click Discover Opportunities. In the keyword search bar, type in school. This will give you a list of available opportunities related to what you're looking for, as well as application requirements. If you're watching this video, you're looking for the Trainee Perfumers Register for Future Opportunities program. Well, I hope this gave you a little bit of insight into what Givaudan has to offer. And in my next video, I'll speak about the Grass Institute of Perfumery. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.